Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, January the 29th, and it's not only a great day because of Joe Jacobs' birthday.
Oh, thank you, Josh.
But also because the Bank of Canada has announced the 6th consecutive cut to the overnight rate, which will bring our prime lending rate down to 5.2%. Joe, aside from the big diesel just fired up behind us there, what happened today?
We are in Alberta, so that's common.
That's true.
You know, it's an interesting day today because the Bank of Canada did exactly what the data says they should do. Inflation is kind of sitting at that 2% range where they want it. Yep. The economy is not performing that strong. Everything is saying we should drop rates. So they've dropped rates. They've done a kind of a slight drop compared to the big jumbo drops they've done, so just 0.25. That sounds like a good news story, but it's a really strange announcement because that big T word, tariffs, is what everyone is talking about. If tariffs come in, if the Trump administration actually does that, it could completely change the landscape of inflation and the economy in Canada, meaning things will start to cost more, inflation will go up, and then all of a sudden the Bank of Canada is saying we can't drop rates. So it is a very strange announcement in which we say they've done what makes sense, but where do they go from here? And the real answer is nobody knows yet.
Nobody knows. How do you spell Fahrenheit, Joe?
Nobody knows.
It reminds me of that SNL skit.
Yeah,
it is strange. To me, it just feels like they had this already predetermined. Yeah. They knew they were going to do it, but certainly that T word is a looming cloud over Canada. You've seen it even in the housing market. A lot of people have kind of taken a step back, and everyone just seems to be on hold, waiting to see what our neighbors to the south do. So It'll be interesting to see what unfolds. I think the next announcement, correct me if I'm wrong, is in March.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, so we have some time to kind of see what goes on, but nonetheless, good news story for mortgage holders, variable rate holders, lines of credit, home equity lines of credit, anything attached to prime.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. You know, it's crazy though. It's January, it's warm out. We don't even have like overcoats on. Any kind of final thoughts to give our viewers here?
Yeah, it's going to get cold in Calgary anyway the next couple of days. So my advice would be go wash your car.
Yeah.
Go wash it down. Well, you can get the windows up and down, open the doors, and get ready for the cold.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you have any questions, please check in with a mortgage broker.